I got started doing this in 1999, so about 21 years ago, and have been doing it consistently since that time. First, for the first couple of years with another law firm that specialized in asbestos cases, and for the past 18 years with my firm, Belluck Fox, focusing almost entirely on mesothelioma cases and some lung cancer cases. After college, I went to work in Washington, D.C. for a consumer advocacy group called Public Citizen, and they focus on making sure that consumer products, pharmaceuticals, automobiles, everyday household products are safe for consumers. And that experience led me to go to law school and focus my legal career on representing people who are injured by defective products, whether they be automobiles or pharmaceuticals or asbestos. After graduating from law school, went to work for a law firm that was representing the state of New York in its tobacco litigation, and was one of a small number of people that led New York State's litigation against the tobacco industry. I had a role in shutting down two organizations that the tobacco industry had set up. One was called the Center for Tobacco Research, and the other was called the Tobacco Institute. And these were industry-funded groups that were turning out scientific literature that was quite biased and led to the conclusion that nicotine was not addictive and tobacco was not dangerous. And they were both located in New York, and I spearheaded the effort to close down those two organizations, which we were successful doing. And immediately after that, went to work on asbestos cases, in part because the history of asbestos litigation is very similar to the history of tobacco litigation, where you have a set of companies that hid the dangers of the product and manipulated the scientific literature to try to demonstrate that the product was safe. And I've been doing that work ever since. And the main reason I do it is it's very, very meaningful. We believe very strongly that people with mesothelioma have suffered an injustice, that it was a preventable disease if the asbestos industry had taken some simple steps to protect workers and other people. And we fight very, very hard to make sure that our clients get a just result.